Hello, lovely people, and welcome to this very special edition to series. We're having here the very short hairstyles, how to style it, making it, curly with the right, the products as well as the styling creams, as you can see, which is showcasing as this very lovely style, would be very elegant and very sophisticated on this pretty lady, after the end of this showcase. So, guys, I hope you're just, taking your pen, take a note, to make sure you are taking these facts down as you can buy this very wonderful cream for hairstyling, at Etsy.com, at AliExpress.com, at Amazon.com, at Alibaba.com, and place your orders, so you have this wonderful styling. As you can see, this very pretty, elegant hair coil, which is very necessary for pretty African fashion ladies, who love, everything superwoman, super form as a stronghold, cream, this Simona, and so many varieties for you to choose from, in making yourself look very elegant and sophisticated, as a pretty woman of style and class. So, it's all about you being beautiful. It's all about you being the best, because you deserve to be the best. So, go for the right products as well as the right styling creams, to give you that excellent, elegant look you have and you want to carry as a woman of style and class. So, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell icon on and get notified as we'll be uploading, more better contents for everyone pleasures. As well as do like the videos, as well as your commentary is very important to us. So send us your comments. If you have any special requests on what you want, you can let us know. I will be very glad to meet them the very best way we can. So, guys, it's all about you. It's all about you being fantastic and, looking elegant and slaying it all, in your beautiful appearance and look. So, I'll be right back. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the fullest.
I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. Cause I'd carry you over my head. But I'm happy, I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you said on me, I need a friend for me. Cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Since you said on me, I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving before I make a mess of me. I came for you, you. Oh, don't need no other body. Oh, you know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I find I give you all you need, and I know what you like. I feel it coming, yeah. Time is of the essence. Oh, I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. Only you feel my body, yeah. When they'll say I can't have you, I'll prove them wrong, I came for you. You. Oh, don't need no other body. Oh, you know, say I still come through. Oh, give me love, yeah, yeah. Forever, yeah, yeah. I decrease for your love. Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need you now. I try to teach you, yeah, but I might need some lessons. You don't need no other body, yeah. You don't need no other body, yeah. I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept. Then you check on me. I need a friend for me, 'cause I just can't get caught up being weak. Can't put liquor over disagreements. Then you check on me. I walk in the room, eyes on red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you notice me? And I don't even know half these people at this party, so I'm leaving for
How did you ever notice that I'm not okay? You only worry about what you get from me. You're not even giving what you expect from me. So of course the liquor's filling the missing piece. I've been on it for 5 days, going out of my ways. I ain't trying to get showered with all this sympathy. Nobody's calling my phone. I just logged on my page and my inbox is slowly convincing me that people really don't give a damn if you're going through a rough patch. They don't pay a visit but let you pay for a 12-pack. They don't see you but they will see your pockets. Never get you help but you will be a topic. Man, that's the reason why I never vent. I guess I'm better off keeping things to myself. I mean, of course I've been getting stressed. Most of y'all just
Emotion, walls are closing in on me. Thought that I was stronger, but I'm falling down to my knees. I've been drowning in the deep. Take it to the head till I'm woozy. Calling, but I can't reach no one. Trying to hold on, yet I keep falling. Put a smile on, so I keep crawling. I guess that they don't know
What
me.
is matter? I can't hide. Yes, I'm scared, but I've been crying. Red eyes, but no flights. More alcohol, fighting demons with Hennessy. In my feels, need somebody, nobody knows. You show more love online than in person. You don't check for me when I'm hurt. The phone works both ways and I'm certain. I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed. 'Cause I'd carry your own for my head. But I'm happy, I know I walk in the room, I'm so afraid. I've been driving, I ain't slept.